Good morning, student. I hope you are feeling well at home. Today we will discuss some problem of exercise 5.3. So, exercise 5.3. Now take question number 3 and I will take ninth part. Okay. This in an AP given A equal to 3, N equal to 8, S equal to 192. Then we have to find a D. What is the value of D? Okay. Here A is given, N is given, S is given. Then we need to find. Okay. It is given S equal to how much? Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that very well. Here Sn is here Sn means n is already given, so we can write n in place of n. Yes, 8, then 8 by 2 into 3 plus n means 8 minus 1 into d we need to find. Okay, and yes, 8 is already given 192 and which is equal to 4, then 4 in bracket 6 plus 7 into d. Okay, then 4 4 just 16, 3 4 just. Okay, then it will be 6 plus 7d equal to 48. That implies 7d equal to 48 minus 6, then 7d equal to 42, then d equal to 42 upon 7, this gives 6. Okay, answer. Okay, now we take 10th part, question number 3. Given L equal to given L equal to 28, S equal to 124, then there are total 9 terms, it means N equal to 9. Find A, we have to need to find A. Then we have clearly know that they are given that total 9 terms. It means we know that N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is given 28. A we need to find plus 9. 9 minus 1 into D. Okay. So we write here 28 A plus 8D. Suppose this is question number first. Okay. And again also given that S equal equal to 154. It means yes 9 is given here. Okay. Then yes 9 can be written as 9 by 2 in bracket 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Okay. So yes 9 means given 144 equal to 9 by 2, then it can be written as a plus 8d. From equation first, we see that a plus, in place of a plus 8d, we can put 28. Okay, so 144 into 2 equal to 9. In place of a plus 8d, we can write 28. Okay, then it will be 144 into 2 upon 9 equal to a plus 28. Okay, and then after solving 9 minus 9, okay, and 5, 54, 9 6 54, then it will cancel, then it will 32, a plus 28, then that implies a equal to 32 minus 28, it means 4, then that is your answer. Now move on to question number 4. How many terms of the EP 9, 17? It is at 9, 17, 25. Okay. Dot. Must be taken to give a sum. Answer is given. Sum of 636. Okay. So we need to find here n. Okay. So for this, in particular question A is given, which is equal to 9, and B equal to 17 minus 9, which is 8. Okay, and Sn is given. How much? 636. Okay, we know that Sn equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It means here 636 equal to n by 2 and 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 and d, we have 8. Okay, then it will be 636 into 2 and in bracket 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. Okay, this no need to multiply them. Okay, because they at last they will say. Okay, into 2, and if we are taking 2 as a common, okay, then it will be 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. So this 2 will cancel. Okay, Then after here 636 equal to n, then in bracket 9 plus 4n minus 4. Okay, this will be 636 and this will be 5 plus 4n. So after calculating, this will be 4n square plus 5n 636. Then it will be 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Okay. After splitting return, we can write 53 into 48. This gives 5. So we can write 4x square. In place of 5, we can write 53 here and n, not x. Okay. And minus 48 and minus 636 equal to 0. Okay, then after n is coming here, 4n plus 53 and minus 12 is common, then it will be 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Then it will be n minus 12 and 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Then clearly n minus 12 equal to 0, or 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Clearly n equal to 12. Okay, and this is neglected because it is a fraction, and in an AP the value of n means number of term will never in fraction. Okay, so our answer is, this will be your minus 53 upon 4. This is negligible. Okay, and this will be your answer. So number of term will be 12. Now we move to another question. Question number 10. So that A1, A2, an form an AP where an is defined as below. So first part, I am taking first part. An equal to 3 plus 4n. Then this is taken as question number first. Then A1 equal to, if we try to find A1, then in place of n we will put n equal to 1. So 3 3 plus 4 into 1, it means 7. Okay, a2, if you want to find a2, then in place of n we will put n equal to 2, then this will be 3 plus 4 into 2, then this will be 11, and a3, 3 plus 4 into 3, then this will be 15. Okay, now just see what is the difference between each term. Okay, then we write a2 minus a1, which will be 11 minus 7, it means 4, and a3 minus a2, then it will be 15 minus 11, it means 34. So we find a constant. It means it is in an EP. So our EPs are 7, 11, 15, 19, dot. These are our EPs. Okay. And we have also find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay, sum of first 15 terms. Here, a equal to how much? 7, b equal to 4. Okay, so we have to find yes 15. Okay, then 15 by 2, 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 and 14 into 4. Okay, and after calculating we are able to find the value of yes 15. Okay, now we take another question. Question number 11. If the sum of the first n term of an AP is it means it is given as n equal to how much? 4n minus n square. This is the question number 1. Okay. What is the first term? It means we need to find S1. Okay. And what is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th, and the nth term. Okay. So first we find S1. S1 how we find? We put n equal to 1. And we find S1. Okay. Then 4 into 1 minus 1 square means 1. Then it will be 3. So our first term will be 3. Okay. And we want S2. S2 means in place of n we put 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square means 4. Then it will be 4. So second, then we know that this is S1 and S2 means sum of two terms means our D common difference equal to how we find the common difference. Here ES1 means A and for sum of first two term means A plus D given 4. Okay, so A is 3 plus 3 plus D equal to 6, then D equal to 4 minus 6, it means minus 2. Okay, so your common difference will be minus 2. Okay, and we have also find for a second term. Similarly, find the third term. Okay, here A is given a 3 and D equal to minus 2. So we are able to find third term. A3 we have to find. A3 it means A plus 2D. Okay, A is given 3 plus 2 into minus 2, then it will be 3 minus 2, that means minus 1. Okay, this is our third term, and we need to find an. An means A plus n minus 1 into B. Okay, so A is given 3 plus n minus 1 into D how much? Minus 2. So 3 minus 2, 2n plus 2. This will be 5 minus 2n. So en equal to 5 minus 2n. Okay, we need to find which term, 10 term. Okay, so put in en equal to 10. This will be 5 minus 2 into 10. So 5 minus 20, it will be minus 15. Okay, this will be your nth term, this will be your 10th term, this will be your third term, and this is first term, and this is common difference. Okay, all of you are able to find. Now just see question number 14. In question number 14, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 15. 0 and 50. 0 and 50. We have to find sum of odd how many odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dot dot dot, in last 49. These are the odd numbers. So we need to find firstly n. Okay. So n equal to, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d, and n equal to 49, given a equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into d how much? 2. Okay. So this will give, if it moves here, then it will be 48. Okay, 49 minus 1 gives, and this will be n minus 1 by 2. So this implies n minus 1 equal to 48 by 2. This gives 24. So n minus 1 equal to 24, n equal to 25. Okay. So yes, 25. Yes, n equal to, we know that n by 2 in bracket a plus l. Okay. So n, yes, n means 25. 25 by 2 in bracket 1 plus 49. So this will be 25 by 2 into 50. So after cutting, it will be 625. Okay. In this way, you can solve all the problems. If you have any doubt, then you can comment, okay, and ask. Okay, thank you.